This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay. You know who you are. Well, a good Friday to you. It's not a bad day in the trailer hood. I hope it's really pleasant where you are. For the next couple of days, I'm not going to be doing any videos. At least I don't think I am, unless something strikes me that I find is urgent that I have to let you know about. I've got a lot of stuff I got to take care of. Since the trailer flip is all finished, I've got a few dollars in the bank, and now it's time to take this YouTube channel thing serious, and that means some upgrades. So I'm going to be busy upgrading some software, upgrading some cameras, microphones, headphones. I mean, I'm getting tired of this Judy from Time Life headset that I'm wearing here. So it'd be nice to have some real microphones and a nice setup here so that I can do a better job with the videos. And like I said, I'd like to get some more software too, so that I can, do a better job editing. And I'm really trying to get things straightened out with the shop as well. I've got a lot of stuff in that shed that I have to get out of there, and I've got plans. I've got a lot of plans, and those plans, hey, they're all going to be videos, how-to videos on a bunch of different things. Plus, I'm going to be buying some new tools, which means more unboxings. And I'm also considering doing giveaways every single month. Won't be giving away tools. What I'm thinking right now is gift cards to places like Lowe's, Home Depot, Harbor Freight, things like that. Things that I don't even have to ship. I can just send them to you, right through the interwebs. So that's what I'm working on for the next few days. On Monday, though, I should have a video for you with our winner, Mr. Matt Humphrey. He is the winner of this little beauty right here, the DeWalt reciprocating saw that we gave away yesterday. The contest was a lot of fun. It really was. Matt is very deserving of this, and we're going to be talking with him hopefully Monday. I should have, he's actually going to be coming over here on Sunday, at least that's the rumor, and I should have a video for you on Monday. And we'll talk to Matt and see what he plans to do with the saw. And plus, Matt has also said he wants to donate his old reciprocating saw to one of the contestants that we had. It was Shay, who really needed that saw. Her house is falling around, just falling apart around her. And Matt said, you know what? I'll give her my saw. She can have it. Not the new one, but the one that he's been using. So that's kind of nice. And because he's here and I didn't have to ship this saw out, I don't mind shipping it to Florida. So I'll take care of that. And, Shay, if you're watching this, you're going to have a saw on the way in just a couple of days. So I hope you put it to good use. So that's really it. That's all I really wanted to say. I want to try to do a little bit better job with these videos. I want to get the editing down right. I want to get some better equipment. The cameras for the shed, and I'd like to make the shed into a real shop, and I'd like to have a computer in there, some screens. I'd like to have mics, the fixed mics that'll stay in there, because I plan on doing a lot more in the shop, and that would be awesome. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Plus, I'm looking at website design and logos and all that good stuff too. So, up until now, I had to just do this with a shoestring budget. Now, I'm okay. I'm a little more comfortable than I was. Don't have to worry about heat this winter or food or anything like that. So, yeah, I'm going to try to put a little bit of cash into this whole YouTube adventure, and hopefully it'll pay off. And I hope you enjoy the videos. If you do, please hit like, please hit share, and for crying out loud, subscribe to the channel, would you? 85% of the people who watch my videos, and watch them all the time, they don't subscribe. Only about 15% actually subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, only takes a second to hit that subscribe button, and I'll get more people watching the videos, so that would be great. I'd appreciate that. So that's going to do it for this quick video on your Friday morning. Make the best of this day, and I'll try to do the same, because you know me, I'm the old guy, I'm the OG, and I'm out.